Adding an opt-in form to your Universal app is very useful for both of you and your readers. By filling this form, you can collect valuable information from your readers. On your Universal app admin, go to Optins. Click on Create New Opt-in or click on the Edit Form icon to edit existing forms. Modify as needed. You can add an opt-in form on your homepage or at the end of one of your published articles. To add an opt-in form to your homepage, go to Appearance. Click on the plus button to insert the form and click on Optin Form. Choose which opt-in you would like to add to your homepage. Save your changes. Head on to Live Preview to see how your readers will view it. Your readers' information will be stored on the Readers tab on the admin page, where you can find information about their first name, last name, email addresses, their subscription plan and the end date, and lastly, their activity, where you can see the last time they log in. And that's it! If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to assist you.